In this video, I'm going to show you how to use headers and footers inside of Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so headers and footers let you add information that appears automatically at the top or bottom of every page in your Google Docs document. They're commonly used for page numbers, document titles, your name, date, or company information. Now, the best way to do this is to open up your Google Doc document where you want to add the header, or footer. Then from there, we need to open the header and footer menu. So the best way to do this is to click onto Insert and then click onto Headers and Footers. Now to find that, click on the page element and then we can either choose a header or a footer. So I want to choose a header for this demonstration. Now here's the header. So click inside the header or footer area for the information you want to appear. So examples can include your name, document title, date, company name, page numbers. Everything you type automatically appear on each page unless you change the settings. Now we can customize this as well. So we can go in and click onto options. We've got header format, so we can change the header margins and footer. We can also choose a layout, different first page, different odd and even page. Click apply if you want to make any of those changes. We've got page numbers as well, so we can position the header, footer, and we've got the numbering, so we can start from 1, 2, 3, and we can also continue from the previous selection. Once you make any changes, make sure to hit apply.